Right now, your cooking skills might be getting stretched thin, or you could be a rock star in the kitchen, but spending so much time at home, you're running out of ideas. Meal delivery kits give an awesome option to help jazz it up in the kitchen. CNET has its top picks to check out.
Gobble is a well-known delivery service that claims dinner can be ready in 15 minutes. Their kit includes pre-portioned protein and vegetables and pre-made sauces to save you time. Choose deliveries to fit your diet and the number of portions to feed your family. Gobble delivers to the entire continental U.S. except for 5 states. If you're looking to follow a specific diet like keto, paleo, or vegan, the Green Chef is for you. All of the food in the kit is organic and they ship to almost every state. For maximum menu options and flexibility, HelloFresh is a good option. They ship nationwide and allow you to start, pause, and cancel anytime. Other top-rated options to try include Blue Apron, Sunbasket, and Home Chef. If you've got babies to feed, Little Spoon is a delivery service that brings organic, nutritious purees to your doorstep. The menu rotates weekly with flavors like carrot, mango, coconut milk, turmeric, and kale, avocado, green apple, chia. And the company pledges there are never additives or preservatives in the food. Yummy is another baby puree service to explore. And Yumble, Tiny Organics, and Nurture Life are meal delivery services with older kids in mind.
I can't tell you how many times I've cooked salmon in the past few weeks, so those kits have a nice variety and different skill levels. We're back after